Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to find the value of wavelength and angular divergence of helium neon laser. In order to perform this experiment, we required helium neon laser, full shaper optical bench, grating holder with a laser grating, and white screen. Now in order to perform this experiment, first we calculate the value of grating constant. After that we note the value of distance between grating and screen with the help of scale on the optical bench rod. Now after that we trace the pattern on a tracing paper and calculate the value of distance between first maxima, second maxima and third maxima, and put all these value here. And after that, by using the all values, we can calculate the value of a wavelength of helium neon laser as mentioned in the manual. After that we calculate the value of divergence of laser. In order to calculate the value of angular divergence, we just remove this grating holder and note the value of distance of laser from screen. Distance of a laser from screen. After that we calculate the value of linear spread. We trace this on a tracing paper and calculate the value of linear spread, and we calculate the value of angular spread by using formula small d divided by capital D. Here small d is the diameter of spread and capital D is the distance between laser and screen. We repeat this process for other distance between laser and screens. Thank you very much.